This is Justin with Green Residential. We're a property management company in the Houston area. And today I'm showing you a transformer for a doorbell. Now I'm up in an attic. This is where you will typically find a transformer for a doorbell. And if you look closely, you'll see two wires here. One of these wires will go to the chime and the other will go to the doorbell button. These are low voltage wires. However, inside this box, it's your normal 120 voltage that wires in a house have. So what this transformer does is it takes this 120 volts and it steps it down to a low voltage. Now the low voltage can be different from one transformer to the next, and it depends on what the doorbell system requires. So this one, let's see if we can get it. Says 16, I think it says 16 volts, it's hard to see. 16 is a common voltage, but don't count on it that yours is 16. I mean, they can range from really 8 to probably 20 volts. So you want to, if you're just going to change out the transformer, what you would want to do is you want to make sure the breaker is off so you don't get shocked, because inside this box it's 120 volts and that can shock you. This low voltage will not shock you, but you still need to make sure that that breaker is off. So this attaches to this box here, and you can simply unscrew it from the inside and replace the transformer. Now, it may not only be your transformer that's the issue. It could be the button, it could be the chime. So it's going to take a little troubleshooting. It could be all three. You can buy transformers like this at Home Depot or Lowe's. You can also buy a contractor kit that has a transformer, a chime, and a doorbell button. If you're a Green Residential tenant, what you should do is you should call the office and let them know that your doorbell is not working, and we can have a professional go out there to troubleshoot the situation and replace what's needed to get your doorbell back up and working. So here's a contractor kit. I picked this up at Home Depot. It was like 30 some odd dollars. And here we have the transformer, and we can see the three wires coming out of the transformer. This little nut you take off, you slide this part into the box housing, the wall of the box, the electric box, and then you secure it on the inside with this nut. Now your breaker should be off when you connect these wires. The ground wire will connect either to a green wire or a bare copper wire. The neutral will connect to a white wire, and the hot will connect to the other hot, which is black, in your electrical box. From there you have the two low voltage wires that are red, and they come to the two different parts. So the red one will land, you'll connect it to this trans terminal right here, which is in the center. And then the white wire can go to either one of these. This system right here is made for two buttons, two doorbell buttons, one on the rear of the house and one on the front. And your doorbell buttons, it doesn't really matter where you connect, which terminal you connect the wires to, but the white wire needs to go to one and the red to the other. Same with this one. So this kit is nice because it gives you an option of two different types of doorbell buttons. But anyways, that's a basic rundown of what a contractor kit offers. I hope this video is helpful. Have a great day, and bye for now.